This here's one of the pit holes that they were mining out of. So if we had the berm here where there was production facility, concentrator, we can concentrate and dump the waste into the hole. The sign I just got from this shaft hole that's here, that's 400 feet deep there. So I don't know if they went down here and mined underneath, but the pit is full, so we can dump that, fill it full of the waste tailings. And there's also the possibility that the waste tailings can be used for agriculture, fertilizer, and so we can get another use out of it. But basically, it looks like another shaft that was here. You can see the copper. And a kind of mining just bought a big property. Oh, well, it's actually a mine shaft. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So you can see the copper. It's in the rock. Look at the old rail tracks. So there's lots of interest in the area still with regards to reopening a possible copper mine here. So there's more exploration and drilling going on. And look at how clear that water is. That's deep a hole. It'd be cool to get an ROV sent up here and check this out. You can see some holes in the rocks where they're starting to drill in through. Pretty interesting stuff. So we have the capability to basically extract all the tailings. Echo. Yeah. Extract all the tailings that was dumped from these mining operations into the ocean. And we're doing two things. First of all, we're cleaning up the environment, because what's happening is all the sediment from the tailings is sitting out in the ocean, and there's no life out there. It's completely dead. There's no fish, there's no seaweed, there's no creatures crawling on the bottom. So the first thing we do is clean that up. And in cleaning that up, it looks like a cool mine shaft there too. And in cleaning that up, we're able to bring the life back into the area, sea life, which will enhance the local fishing environment. And basically extracting the gold and minerals out of the recovered waste product will provide economic development in our area. So that's the main focus. So let's get that waste tailings up out of the ocean that came from here, so that we can clean up the water, provide jobs for our local areas, and start up the investment for the graphite mines.